Friends, মই ঋতুৰাজে আপোনালোকলৈ আজি লৈ আনিছোঁ সায়েন্স এণ্ড টেকনলজিৰ বিভিন্ন কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামত আহিব পৰা সম্ভাৱ্য কুৱেশ্যন এণ্ড এনচাৰ। চ' প্লিজ আপোনালোকে অলপ ধৈৰ্য ধৰি সম্পূৰ্ণ ভিডিঅ'টো চাব। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো লৈছোঁ, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1. Which of the following can be found as pollutant in the drinking water in some parts of India? Select the correct answer using the code given below. So code দিয়া হৈছে, code 4টা আছে। ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰাইট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 and 3। so 1 and 3 কোডটো চাই লওঁ। আৰ্ছেনিক 1 নম্বৰ, 2 নম্বৰ ফ্লোৰাইড। ৰাইট এনচাৰ অপশ্যন 1 and 3 is right answer. So next পাম আমি question number 2. Which of the following is a prime health risk associated with greater UV radiation through the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone. So question number 2 right answer hobo. Option number 4 is increased skin cancer. Right answer. Next question loisu. Which of the following is not a prime contributor to the greenhouse effect? Important question. Question number 3. Right answer option 3. Chlorofluorocarbons. Right answer. Next question is here on your mobile screen. The increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide CO2 in our environment in last 50 years since 1960 is about, so right answer is option 3, 14%. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question is here. Which of the following are the example of municipal and industrial discharge pipes? So question number 5 right answer is question number right answer option number 3, point sources of pollution. Option 3 is right answer. Next question is here. The presence of high coliform counts in water indicate. So your right answer hobo option 1, contamination by human wastage. Option 1 right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a consequence of global warming? Is an important question. Question number 7 right answer is option 2, increase agricultural productivity worldwide. The right answer option 2. Next question is here. How the biological oxygen demand gets affected with the increased presence of organic matter in water? So right answer option 1, the oxygen demand increases. Next question. The most serious environmental effect posed by hazardous wastes is, so right answer option 2, contamination of groundwater. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a major source of groundwater contamination? So right answer option 4, all of the above are major sources of groundwater. Option 4 right answer. Means agricultural products, septic tanks and underground storage tanks also is a major sources of groundwater. Next question. The depletion in the ozone layer is caused by, important question. Question number 11 right answer option 3, chlorofluorocarbons. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question is here. Question number 12. Which of the following is not considered as part of water use planning? So right answer is option 4. Water use planning considers all of above issues. 4 is the right answer. Next question is the stress in which the biological processes is due to purify water in a wastewater treatment plants is called. Important question. Right answer option 1. Secondary stress treatment. ঠিক আছে, option 1 right answer. Next question is here. The microbial type culture collection center is situated at question number 14. Right answer is option 1 Chandigarh. Option 1 right answer. Next question. Biotic environment includes biotic পৰিৱেশত কি অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত হৈ আছে? Question 15 right answer হ'ব option 4 all of the above. Means producers, consumers, decomposers, all are above. উপৰোক্ত গোটেইকেইটা ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত হৈ আছে. So next question লৈছো, decomposers include, ইয়াত কি অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত হৈ আছে? Question number 16 যদি আমি চাওঁ, bacteria and fungi. Means question answer number 3 both A and B. Right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. A and B include. So next question, abiotic environment does not include. This is also important question. Right answer is plant. ঠিক আছে, option 4 is the right answer. So next question, vermicomposting is done by. Right answer is worms. Option number 3. ঠিক আছে, next question is here. The group of organisms which convert light into food are called. The right answer is option number 1 autotrophs. ঠিক আছে, next question is here. Which one of the following is not biodegradable? This is also a very important question. Right answer is 4 aluminium foil. Option 4 right answer. Next question, air pollution is called by smoke. Option number 3 is a very simple question, but it's also a important question. ঠিক আছে, আমি next question লম. Question number 22. What is cervix 7? So এইখিনিতে আপোনাক জনাই দিওঁ, cervix তেওঁ হৈছে ৰবাৰ্ট cervix is an inventor. So your right answer হ'ব option 3 artificial heart. ঠিক আছে, তেওঁ এইটো উদ্ভাৱনা কৰিছিলে, উদ্ভাৱক. Next question, Robert Webster is known for his work associated with which one of the following? So right answer is option 2 influenza virus. This is also an important question. Next question is here. Which of the following is the best energy source in view of keeping environment clean? So right answer is option 1 solar cells. Option 1 is the right answer. Next question. The scientific study of the movement, distribution, and quality of water on Earth, including water resources and environmental watershed substantially, is known as. So 25 question number right answer is option 1 hydrology. Option 1 is the right answer. Next question is here. The European extremely large telescope, which when completed will be the world's largest optical telescope, is being set up on a 300-meter high mountain. So right answer is question number 26 Option 1, Atacama Desert in Chile. This is the right answer. Next question. A new, cheaper, quicker, pollution-free soil-to-soil technology to manufacture biofuel has been developed by researchers at option 4, right answer, IIT-Kharagpur. This is your right answer. So next question. Question number 28. Which country is in the process of building the largest single Aperture Radio Telescope fast, FST? Right answer is China. Option number 2, right answer. Next question. Temperature of distant luminous bodies can be determined by question number 29. Right answer is option 3, pyrometers. This is an important question for competitive exam. So next question is here. The Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO, has developed a drug named leukoxine. It is being used in the treatment of. So question number 30. Right answer is option 3, leukodrama. Sorry. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question. India's indigenous beyond visual range means BVR, air-to-air missile, integrated by hull on Su-30 MKI aircraft, was successfully launched from Chandigarh, Odisha. It is named as Astra. Option 1, right answer. Next question. Question number 32. Which of the following space agencies has launched the LISA Pathfinder? So 32 right answer option number 3, European Space Agency. This is an important question. Next question. Satellites of which of the following countries have been successfully launched by using ISRO's PSLV C-29? This is an important question also. Question number 33. Right answer is option number 2, Singapore. Right answer. Next question. Pedology is the science related to the study of. Pedology কোনটো বিষয় study কৰে এটো আমি হজনা question, এটা important question. Question number 34. Right answer is option 2, soil. Mati লগত related. So next question. The branch of physics that deals with the motion of very small particle is called. So 35 right answer option T, quantum mechanics. Option T right answer. Next question. Which of the following is the largest air pollutant? This is an important question. Question number 36. Right answer is option 2, carbon mono-oxide. Next question is leakage of which of the following gases had caused the Bhopal Gas Tragedy? So important question. Right answer is option 1, methyl isonate. Option 1, right answer. Next question. One carbon credit is equivalent to. So right answer is option 3, 1000 kg of carbon dioxide, CO2. This is an important question. Next question. Which among the following gas is most responsible for global warming? So this is an important question. Question number 39. Right answer is option 3, carbon dioxide. Next question. Rubber is a product of option 2 latex. Sorry. Option 2 right answer. Next question long. Question number 41. Who invented telegraph? সকলে জনা question. Your right answer is Samuel Morse. Option 1 right answer. Next question. If someone is injured in the accident and broken his or her knee joint, then he or she needs to consult. So ধৰি লওক কাৰোবাৰ যদি এক্সিডেণ্ট বশত হৈ তেওঁৰ আঁঠু ভাগিছে, জোৰা লগাবৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ কাৰ ওচৰত পৰামৰ্শ ল'ব? এইটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন। 42 ৰাইট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন 1 অৰ্থপেডিকৰ পৰামৰ্শ ল'ব। Sorry. Option 1 right answer. Next. Which of the following is a fire and forget anti-tank missile? Yeah, right answer hobo NAG. Option 4. 43. So next question is here. Question number 44. The apparatus used for detecting light is known as 44 right answer. Option 1 polygraph. Next question is here. A device used for measuring the depth of the sea is called important question. So 45 right answer hobo option 2 pedometer. Next question long. Question number 46. What is measured by the sling psychrometer? 46 or right answer hobo option 2 humidity. ঠিক আছে, next question লৈছো। Cryogenic engines find applications is right answer option 3 rocket technology. ঠিক আছে, next question লৈছো। Communication satellite are used to, this is an important question, right answer option 3 receive and redirect communication signal. Next question. Who discovered the fact that an electric current produces a circular magnetic field as it flows through a wire? So important question. This is right answer option 1 first state. Option 1 right answer. Next question. The first printing works are called, right answer option 2 incunabula. Option 2 right answer. So friends, আজিলৈ ভিডিওটো ইমানেই। ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা পালে প্লিজ কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব, লগতে লাইক আৰু আপোনাৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব। এই জ্ঞানখিনি তেওঁলোকক জনা দৰকাৰ বুলি মই ভাবোঁ। চ' আজিলৈ ইমানেই, থেংক ইউ।